A very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to present a systematic review. The title of the review is Evaluation and Comparison of 5-Year Survival Rate of Tooth-Supported Porcelain Fused to Metal and All Ceramic Fixed Multiple Unit Prosthesis. The tooth-supported prosthesis that are used to replace the missing teeth in the mouth. Here the teeth adjacent to the edentulous space are used to support the prosthesis. There are two types of material are used for fabrication of prosthesis. As we all know, in the PFM, ceramic veneer supported by the metal framework, and in case of the all ceramic, both veneer and the framework both are made up of the ceramics. In general, restoration success is defined as the demonstrated ability of a restoration, including a prosthesis, to perform as expected. Restoration failure may be defined as a condition that lead to replacement of the prosthesis. Conditions that constitute restoration failure includes secondary caries, pulpitis, irreversible pulpitis, excessive wear of opposing teeth, excessive erosion of and the roughening of the ceramic surface, ditching, cement margin, unacceptable aesthetics, cracking, chipping fracture, and the bulk fracture. If the restoration is irreparable, then it will count as a failure. Anusavis in 2012 give standardized criteria for failure, success, and survival decision so that we can easily classify them accordingly. Objectives of our study were to assess the survival rate and most common mode of failure of porcelain fused to metal and all ceramic fixed prosthesis after 5 years of uses. An electronic search of the literature was carried out using PubMed, Cochrane databases, Scopus, EBSCO host, Quintessence publication, and the Google Scholar systems. Using the search term survival rate, success, mode of failures, all ceramic, porcelain fused to metal, multiple units, anterior fixed prosthesis, and posterior fixed prosthesis. The search includes all the articles published in the full text article English language from in between the 2012 up to the 2020. For the current review, we select the studies according to these criteria. We consider the participants of all ages, regardless of the gender and the social condition, and partially edentulous patients are selected. We included the study of replacement of the teeth, missing teeth with the help of the porcelain fused to metal fixed partial dentures and compare them with the all ceramic fixed partial dentures. The type of the study, we considered the retrospective study, in vitro study, ex vitro study, and randomized clinical trials for current review. Exclusion criteria are the type of the study, if it is case reports, abstract, reviews, protocols, clinical guidelines, or editorial review were excluded. This is the Prisma flowchart. A total of 579 published articles were identified using the search criteria from all sources. And after removing the duplicates, only 319 articles were identified. After reading the titles, only 41 articles were relevant to the review, out of which only 15 articles included in the systematic review due to the exclusion criteria. These are the characteristics of the study. A study is conducted by the Kawas in 2021. The survival rate after the 5 years of use, you can see here there is a 90% survival rate, and the most common mode of the failure is gingival swelling. Another study conducted by the Boning and Ullman in 2020, there is a 84 survival rate, and again ceramic chipping is the most common failure. Tekman et al. Conducted the study in 2018 and found the 95% survival rate and the most common failure mode of the failure is chipping. In the study conducted by Palais et al. In 2012, they found 100% survival for PFM and 95% survival for the all ceramic. Of the 579 identified articles, 15 met the inclusion criteria for the systematic review. It was observed that porcelain fused to metal prosthesis has a better survival rate after 5 years of insertion than the all ceramic prosthesis. The most commonly used failure in the porcelain fused to metal and all ceramic tooth supported prosthesis were veneer chipping. In the present systematic review, found that approximately 99.5% survival rate for porcelain fused to metal tooth supported prosthesis and approximately 92% survival rate for all ceramic tooth supported prosthesis after 5 years of insertion. Thank you for listening patiently.